Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked sweet potato rounds. So let's get toasting. I'm going to cook this in my toaster oven, and I'm using this 10-inch cast iron skillet, but you can use a baking sheet or tray. That'll work just fine. Okay, so I took a sweet potato or a yam, just like that. I cut it up into, it's probably, I'd say, 3/8 to 1/2 inch thick pieces there. I tried to get them as even as I could, but it's not perfect. Now I'm just going to coat them with a little bit of avocado oil. Any kind of cooking oil will work for this. I tried it without the oil just to save on calories, but they turn out better with a little bit of oil on them. They kind of dry out a little bit more if you don't use any oil. But I just try to get them kind of coated, and I left the skins on there. I like the skin, so if you don't like the skin, you can take that off, but I like it. So just got those pretty well coated with oil. Kind of get the skin coated with oil too, so that it's not as dry. These are not going to fit perfectly in there, but I think this will be close enough. And then I'm just going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. I use this a lot in a lot of my recipes. And if you want to go sweeter, I've used like this cinnamon and sugar. That's real good. I've used pumpkin pie spice. I've used quite a few different seasonings for this, but today I'm just going with that. I have my oven rack down at the bottom. This cast iron skillet fits right in there. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. This is a new oven, same model as my old oven, but these actually cooked about 5 minutes faster, so maybe it runs a little bit hotter. This is the first time I've used this oven. Like I said, it's the same exact model as my other oven, but seems like it cooks a little bit hotter. I took them out 5 minutes sooner than I normally do. See how the bottom looks here. I don't turn them over, I just let them cook on one side, so that's how they come out. Anyway, let's try one out. These are good. I love sweet potatoes. Annie's dancing around. Let's see if she'll eat one. Annie seems awfully excited for something that's not meat. Let's see what she does with it. Oh, inhale. Annie likes her sweet potatoes. This oven preheats for 10 minutes before the timer actually starts. So like I said, it would have been in there 30 minutes, and I took it out at 25. So what I learned is these little ovens seem to vary a little bit according to their temperatures they run. So you may have to tweak your cooking times a little bit depending on your particular oven. And if you did these in a big oven, you might have to adjust the cooking time a little bit as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.